How to create a new asset attribute and add it to an asset type. Asset attributes define information about assets. To create a field for recording information about assets, you create an asset attribute. You must have system administrator permissions to create asset attributes. In the admin console, navigate to Data Schema, click on Asset Attributes, and click New. Assign a name to the new attribute, if desired, add a description, and set the properties. Click the Record Value Changes box to retain historical data, as for Asset Lifecycle Management. If not checked, CenterScape retains only the current value for this attribute. Check the Values are Unique box to prevent CenterScape from accepting duplicate values. Serial numbers must be unique. Model numbers need not be. Check the Restrictable box if you intend to use group-based security to hide this attribute from some users while allowing access to others. From the drop-down menu, select the type that best represents the type of data users will be entering for the new attribute. For this attribute, we'll select String List and create a list of values that will be available to users. Click Add. In the pop-up window, input a value. Click OK. Repeat until your list is complete. If the Constrain Values box is checked, users may only select from the list items you created. If desired, add conditional formatting. Here, we'll apply a red color to the text and a black background. When finished, click Save Changes. The new asset attribute now appears in the list. To add an attribute to an asset type, navigate to Admin Console, Data Schema, and click Asset Types. Select the asset type. Field order numbers determine the order in which asset attribute fields are presented to the user. The numbers are listed in the Attributes pane and on the sample input form. In the Attributes area, click Add. In the pop-up window, select the attribute. If desired, set the attribute options: category, field order, value required, static. Here, we'll select a category and field order number so the attribute appears near similar attributes when users are creating assets, and will include a default value for the attribute that users can change if desired. When finished, click OK and click Save Changes. To preview what users will see when adding an asset of this type, view the sample input form. Note that the field order numbers in parentheses will not be visible to users.